how to fix Instagram Threads typing problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, go to settings, go to apps, and then type Threads. Click full stop and go to storage, clear cache, and after that try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you have to do just restart your phone. And if that also doesn't fix it, now the last thing you should do is to uninstall this application and then try again. And I hope this video can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.